Hello there. The seas have been quite rough throughout Sunday with the strong winds that we've had around, but into the start of the new working week they are set to calm down at least temporarily. The cold front that's been moving across Scotland is now skirting to the south, so for Sunday evening it is still clearing its way off Dumfries, Galloway and the Borders region. Behind that some clear intervals, but also a good number of showers filtering in from the north and west. These will be heavy in places, some hail in the mixture, snow falling on the mountains above 300 to 400 metres. Winds staying fairly brisk as well throughout the night, so that reduces the chance of a frost as the air is going to be mixed up. Towns and cities holding up around 3 to 4 degrees Celsius, but we could still get into low single figures where we've got some shelter in the valleys. Monday morning then, there will still be some showers around, particularly in the north and west. Dodge during the morning rush hour, but as we move throughout the rest of the day those are going to continue to ease out, and actually a good number of sunny intervals developing for many of us, and Monday is looking like quite a fine day for the vast majority. It will stay a bit breezy across Shetland up until the afternoon before those winds eventually ease out, and temperatures are going to be slightly down compared to Sunday's double-digit figures, so now more around 6 to 8 degrees Celsius. Into the late afternoon and evening, we will then see the cloud push its way in from the west with outbreaks of rain as this next feature moves its way in, returning us to that wet and windy scenario. That band of rain pushes its way through for Monday night, and behind that we see a stream of showers then pushing in, but now continuing throughout the daytime on Tuesday. So it is set to be a fairly blustery day. Again, some heavy showers and hail possible, and snow over the mountains once again. Temperatures will be holding up relatively similar, around 6 to 8 degrees Celsius, but again with those blustery winds it will probably feel cooler compared to Monday itself. It's into Tuesday night that the winds are particularly looking hazardous. This area of low pressure is going to skirt its way towards northern areas of Scotland, and underneath that there's a real squeeze in the isobars, and when we get that tightening of the isobars we get some significantly strong winds. As a result, there is a yellow wind warning in force for Scotland Tuesday night into the start of Wednesday. Still some uncertainty in regards to the exact location of the strongest winds, but if I turn the gust strengths on, we can show you the current thinking. There will be quite widespread gales, particularly around coastal areas of 50 to 60 miles per hour, but for Lewis, Orkney and northern areas of the mainland, these deep pink colours here are the strongest winds, potentially reaching gust strengths of 80 miles per hour. Those will then skirt across northern areas as we move throughout the night and eventually clear their way off. Do keep up to date with the forecast for any updates to that warning that might be issued, and you can do that by following us on social media, and we'll be back with you shortly for the latest. Bye bye.